Hydraquip is the largest independent provider of hydraulic hose services in the UK. And not only are we the largest, but we came from one of the smallest. In 2000, we had 2 vans and 1 location in Crawley. Today, 2018, we've got 28 locations trading and 140 vans.
Our engineers complete around 3 to 4 jobs a day on average in a local area. We work on a wide range of machinery including forklifts, excavators, access equipment and lorries. The customer can place the job directly with the engineer to their nearest depot or to our central support centre. The jobs are then scheduled based on the engineer's availability and passed to the engineer directly via a bespoke Android app. We're a 24/7 company that offers breakdown cover to our customers. You'll need to be able to be part of a call-out rota, typically 1 week in 3, that will involve night and weekend call-outs. It's really important to Hydraquip to have the best trained staff out there. We're a reactive business and we never know what or where the next call will be.
When they join the business, they can expect they'll come to Strood, where we take them through the induction process of the hose, the fittings, the service that we want them to deliver out there, the support, the health and safety side, and then we reissue them with a mobile van, which then we set them off on a day-to-day job after a week of doing inductions.
I was working over in Milton Keynes area. I was a manager for a workshop over there, and an engineer came to me, a Hydraquip engineer, and he showed me his van, the inside of his van, how his job manager worked and all the equipment he was supplied, and I was really impressed by it. The fact this guy, was generally showing evidence of clear support and clear, well, just about anything really that he required, he would get. It was a real good sense to me that the company was doing things right.
I became a part of Hydraquip by being introduced by one of my close friends. And the more I talked to my friends about, the work that they'd done with Hydraquip and how they were well supported, it just sounded like music to my ears, so it just needed to be something that I went with.
I know obviously a few people that have been here a while and succeeded and happy. They've got the support, which is good, and that's what obviously everyone wants. Everyone wants help, support, and obviously earn money, and it's good. I think it's good for me, the opportunities. I think I can go far.
So there's office jobs, there's managers' jobs, there's sales roles. There's a good variety for everyone, and especially in the company that we're in at the moment. With our expansion plans, there's plenty of room to develop and manoeuvre and find your little niche where you're good at and help the company and obviously help yourself as well.
I'm looking forward to the challenge now of being a mobile engineer. I wasn't mobile before working in hydraulics. It was like I said, it was a small place, mainly trade counter. So the new challenge of working on different equipment, working out in different places every day is an exciting opportunity really.
Experience has demonstrated over the last 10 years that Hydraquip is one of the most progressive companies in the fluid power industry in the UK. We've gone from being a regional business in the southeast to being a national player. That's an exciting place to work. If somebody is looking for a career in a progressive company, I can't really suggest anything better than Hydraquip.
Our aim is to continue growing this business, so we're looking to recruit new engineers and meet our target, our 2020 vision target of having 200 engineers to service our customers by 2020. We can deliver you the training, your career progression and ongoing support to be one of the best in the business. So pick up the phone, send us an email or apply via the website and we'd love to hear from you.